Hey, hi, this is Rohan, and today let's talk about the copyright system, primarily on YouTube and also elsewhere. Culture is a very beautiful thing, and whatever you do, it has to be passed on, it has to be worked upon, it has to be contextualized and made things interesting. And it's a shared thing, and unless it is a one-to-one copy, everything should be allowed. And it is on paper, fair use is a very beautiful thing, but in reality it doesn't exist. Okay, let's take for example any movie. Okay, if you take the whole movie and you uh, uh, download it and upload it on your channel claiming it is your own, that is theft. There is a infringement of copyright, surely. But if someone takes a clip and shares it, that can be considered as a kept, but maybe allow it because it's a promotion for the film. Okay, but the real bad news is that if you take a clip and if you work upon it, you roast it, you make fun of it, or you comment on it, that is a fair use legally and in the interpretation of it, but still you will get a copyright claim. Still you can't make money off that because you have used that clip. So in reality, the copyright system doesn't work. So the best thing you can do as a creator is to stay away from anything, song, sing, pieces of art, everything. Do not use it in a video. You can talk about it, but not use it on a video, and that's a really sad thing because that's how culture improves. If if you allow that, okay, let's take a movie an example. A movie can reach 100 people, but if you allow that sharing of context, sharing of memes, sharing of jokes, sharing of videos based on that, maybe they use few clips here and there, what's the bother? You will reach thousands of people, and if you keep allowing that, in future also people keep referencing to your movie, and it will keep reviving. And isn't that the purpose of the art, to reach as many people as possible? But somewhere along the lines, constant focusing on money and riches and selfishness, uh, copyright is a very messy thing. So if you're a creator going out, don't use anything, just better be safe. And the world shouldn't be like this, but it is, because life is not fair and you have to deal with it. So just talk about it, reference it, but don't show the clip, don't use the music. Make your own art, make your own music. Reference is okay, but using it is not, because the rule is called fair use. But and even if you use it fairly, uh, it is always up to the interpretation of the judge, and you'll always go down because they have so many lovers and you don't have any money to fight it out. So fairness or right, or being right and doing the right thing doesn't always work. Sad reality of life.